across the world, more than 1 billion people try to follow the life of one man. Not as a celebrity, not as a king, but as a moral and spiritual guide. That man is Prophet Muhammad. More than 14 centuries ago, in the city of Mecca, a man known for his honesty began delivering a message that would transform history. Before prophethood, he was widely known as Al-Amin, the trustworthy. People trusted him with their wealth, their disputes, and their problems. But his true significance began when he was chosen as a messenger of God. In Islam, Muslims believe that God revealed the Qur'an to Prophet Muhammad as guidance for humanity. But the Qur'an was not meant to remain only words on a page. It was meant to be lived, and the life of the Prophet showed how that guidance could be practiced in the real world. This living example is known in Islam as the Sunnah. The Sunnah includes the Prophet's words, his actions, and the way he responded to everyday situations. Through it, Muslims learn how he prayed, how he treated family and neighbors, and how he showed mercy even to his enemies. His character became a model for ethical living. He emphasized justice, compassion, patience, humility, and responsibility. He taught that true strength is not found in wealth or power, but in self-control and kindness. He encouraged caring for the poor, honoring parents, helping neighbors, and treating all people with dignity. For Muslims, following the Prophet does not mean copying every cultural detail of 7th century Arabia. Rather, it means understanding the values and principles he demonstrated. His life provides a practical framework for applying faith in everyday life. This is why his example continues to influence daily practices for Muslims around the world. From prayer and charity, to family relationships and community responsibility, the relationship between the Quran and the life of the Prophet is deeply connected. If the Quran is the message revealed by God, then the life of Prophet Muhammad is the living example of that message. Through studying his character, Muslims seek to understand how faith should shape their behavior and their purpose. For millions of people, the life of Prophet Muhammad remains a source of guidance and inspiration, a timeless example of how to live with faith, justice, humility, and compassion.